Hello friends, welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today I'm going to show you simple and easy recipe how to make prawns chow chow. And to do this prawns chow chow, let's go and start it. And so to start with the go and chow chow, here I'm going to use prawns. You can use anything of your choice. I'm going to season with the salt. You can use chicken if you want to, or any other meat if you're of your choice. Now in a small bowl, let's break 2 eggs. A little bit salt. I've kept some water to boil and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil in this. Now I'm going to add the noodles in there. This is the normal noodles that is available in the market. These noodles are approximately 300 grams. Here I'm going to add about half teaspoon of salt. So the noodles are ready now over here. It's completely done. As you see, it's completely cooked as well. Now I'm going to run them under cold water and drain the complete water out of here. So here I've got some oil. I've already heated up. Now I'm going to fry some vegetables. This is the carrot. I'm not going to fry them for more than a minute. Everything's going to be cooked less than a minute. So now I'm going to fry some capsicum over here. So precisely I've cooked only for 30 to 40 seconds. I don't even go more than that. This is much faster for me, so I'm doing it in this way. Now I'll fry some beans. Now let's fry some spring onion. So this is potato chips, what I'm frying, cut into small cubes, and this is the last batch what I'm going to fry. So the chips are almost done here. So in case if you don't want to deep fry them, you can still do a stir fry of the vegetables, but definitely French fries or those chips, you will have to deep fry them. So in the same wok, I've already drained the oil out, so little is remained in here. So I'm going to fry the egg now. I'm going to make it like a plain omelette. Now we're going to start frying the prawns. Now that all our prep is ready, it's just a matter of few minutes that we have to prepare all our chow chow. So we're going to add all this vegetable back again. I'm not adding any more extra oil to this because the vegetable has its oils by itself and there was a little bit oil left as well. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder or crushed pepper if you have. 1 tablespoon of chicken stock powder. If you don't have chicken stock powder, you can use Maggi cubes. Salt to adjust the taste. Now let's give a mix. Now I'm going to use half portion of noodles over here. Now I'm going to add the fried egg, the plain omelette that we made. I've cut into small pieces over here. I'm going to add the potato chips as well, the French fries that we made. Add the prawns. Now we're going to add the rest of the noodles on top over here. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Let's mix all this well together. So friends, our go and chow chow is ready now. If you liked our recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Until then, stay safe, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.